W220 W2. So I'm just going to show you guys out from the blower motor. So guys, you come right here. So down here guys, there's a cover which is to the passenger side. So the cover guys, you take a 20, is a H20, is a Torx. You take a Torx screwdriver. Now like when you see right here guys, you have these Torx balls. So you just use like that, you take it out. There are 3 of them. This is one right here. There's another one guys, second here, and the last one which is right here. So once you take that out, the thing should come out. And then you just bring down, then you disconnect this thing. So guys, this one doesn't have the light, the passenger light. It does not have the passenger light, so you just pull like that. Make sure guys this clip comes out. There's a clip here and a clip right there, and there's a clip right in the middle right here. So take this one, pull it out, take it out of the way. So guys, when you come down here, is the white thing. This is the guy we're going to be working with, so we need some light in here. So guys, this is what we have. So first thing first, this is where the clips go to, So when you're putting back guys, here, remember them, make sure the clips goes in completely. So you come right here, there's a connector. So I prefer taking it out from this hole right here. Just pull like this forward, take it out like that. Okay, and then you just come right here. And you press like it's something you press, and you can just pull like this. So guys, this is the thing you press. So when you press, this right here goes down. Press like that. So yeah, it's something you put on the side. Okay. Then what you do guys, you take the H20 again, and then guys you go like here. So right here, and then right here you go through it. So you just let it go all the way. You can feel it, and then you open it. This thing falls out guys. This one falls out. Is the Torx 20, the shiny silver in color. You put that on the side. You come this one right here. You follow the guide. There's this guide right here. You do that for the rest. There's another one right there guys. Another one just in between here. You have to just pull like straight up. Then one there. Then one here. Okay. Alright. Once that is done guys, let me take us the last one right there. Guys, the last one you cannot access it. I'll let you take this guy out. So like this. You just open like this guys. So that you have enough space for your tool to go in. So you need that space for the tool. Then you go in. Here's another groove too guys. It's right in there. There's the groove right there. You take it out. Okay. One comes out. And then we have our last one guys. This right there guys. You can see it's the last one. So I have to put my thing like all the way. I have to make sure it goes all in. see that, guys? This one comes out. Oh shit, I fell down somewhere there. We'll find out. So this thing just kind of, guys, comes out. So just take it out of the hook, just like that. It just falls down like that, guys. So right here, guys, we have our blow motor. You can just pick it out. So this is point 1, and then this is point 2, and then this is point 3 right there, and then point 4 is right here, and then the last one, point 5, is right there. So there are 5. So right here, guys, I have 4, and then one of them just fell down here. You guys have to pick it up. Let me see how it looks in there. So guys, this is how it looks in here. Yeah, it's just connected to all these points, and then once it's done, this thing should be able to come out. So once it's out, guys, you place whatever stuff you need, and then these things, guys, like here is a hooks. This too is a hook, which hooks this stuff right here and this stuff right here. So once that is done, the thing should be able to come out. So guys, once you replace with a new one, okay. So guys, I have to point out something important. This is our old one right here, and this is a new one. So guys, most selling companies, they'll sell you guys minus this thing right here. So what you do, you have to replace this. You take this out and then you put it right here, and this is the one, guys, which is going to connect right here, but using that one right here. So I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to put it right here, and then I'm going to install it, and then you do the rest in reverse. All right. Okay. There we go. One is out. Take that one out. And then you just pull it up, deploy it up, and then this thing, guys, comes out. So you just pull this connector, just pressing right here. Just press, and then this thing comes out like that. So this is the guy, this is the new thing. So I'm gonna put it like here, so make sure that it goes in there, locks in there. And make sure first we have to put this in. So guys, once you pull this, we just lock it in there. Lock it like that. And then we got it right here. So you have to make sure, guys, this thing locks in. Okay, once that locks in, guys, this thing should be able to get in right here, and then you can put our guy like this right here. Yeah, okay. So you can put our guy like that right here. No. Make sure, guys, thing is visible from here because we're going to connect it from. So we're good to go, guys. So I just put this in reverse, and then, guys, your blow meter should be good. Should be good to go. All right. See you next time.